How to fix and solve your IP ban on Instagram app. The first thing you want to do is open your device settings. Now scroll down a bit and find the option of apps. From this list, you want to select Instagram. Now select storage. Now select clear cache. Once that is done, you want to open Play Store. If you're using iPhone, open App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to search Instagram. If you find the update option, select that and update the app to the latest version. Now open Instagram and check if your issue is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you simply want to wait for the ban to lift. Instagram may impose temporary IP bans for suspicious activity. Wait for 24 to 48 hours. This will resolve the issue automatically. If not, then you want to contact the Instagram customer support. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.